Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be teaching you how to design a 3D logo in PixelLab. So the first thing, go to your text and type your capital letter N. So press OK. The next thing, just zoom it close and go to your padding. Go to your padding and increase the left to 48, increase the right to 48. That's okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, just zoom it closely, zoom it closely, and then go to your board and click on it and bold it. That is okay. So the next thing, go to your stroke, click on it and click on the on and increase the stroke to, like, let's increase to 31 is okay. Wow, that's okay. Let's click. The next thing, just go to your position and position it well. That is okay. So the next thing, go to your shapes and click on, let's choose circle. So reduce the opacity and increase the stroke wide to, like, let's increase it. I think this is too wide. Let's go to the stroke back and reduce the stroke. Let's reduce it to like 16 is okay. So just enlarge it small, make it enlarge it. So go to your alignment and put it well, put it well, put it well. So I think it's okay like this. So the next thing we're going to do, just go to your circle shapes and reduce the square shapes, reduce it like this. I think it's okay, and place it here, well. So click on and copy it. So go to the first one again and place it, let it align it very well. It should be on top the white. So that's okay like this, and position it well. So the second one, just move it down, move it down, move it down, and place it over here and reduce it down. Yes, after then just go to your shapes again and then reduce it also. Use it like this and reduce it up. Yes, that is okay. And go to your color and change it to black. So after then, just use your position to move it up to align with the black that is here. Make sure it's aligned together. Is not aligned. Let's go to back there and move it. Use your position to move it well. I think it's okay like this, and go. So the one you copy, just move it down and come and put that one also here. So put it also here and use your position to direct it down. Make sure it's aligned together. So let's try. It's okay like this. So the next thing you're going to do, just move the black one, move it under behind, let it be behind. So let's move it down. Well, move the second one too, move it down. So then that is okay. The next thing, just merge all of them together, merge it all of them and click on the merge. Okay, so that's okay. The next thing you're going to do, just go to your erase color and erase it and increase the tolerance to 70. That's okay. The next thing, just go to your pen and increase the pen and click on the pen on it, click it on the top of these edges. That's okay. The next thing, just go to your layers and merge all the pen you dots, merge them together. So the next thing, just go to your import, click on your import and go to your texture, go to your texture and click on this. So that's the texture you are using, and the scale, let's leave it at like 115 is okay. So that's okay like this. So the next thing, just go to your emboss are down here, is it, and click on it. So go to your intensity and increase it to 60, and the ambience light 50. So after then, just increase the offset to, so reduce to like 21. That is okay. And the offset y, just let it be like 21. So that's okay like this. Just go to your, the next thing, just go to your import and import the background you want to put it, and then enlarge it to size the full size of the image size. So let's enlarge it, finish, and then go to your back and put it in to back. Let's put it to back. Wow, so that the logo will come up. See, that's how to make a 3D logo design in PixelLab. If you all like this, please like, subscribe, comment, and share, please guys. So just tell me the one I should do next on this platform, on this channel, so I can do it. I hope guys you all learn how to do this. So thank you, and make sure you subscribe. Goodbye.